All right, guys, we have the 7th hard request up on the current hard request list. Bruce Springsteen, Racing in the Street. We do the whole thing, 7 minutes of acoustic piano. It's just great. Let's take a listen. I got a 69 Chevy with a I was just going to do the intro, but it's so fun. I had to keep going a little bit. Hello, everyone. I'm Shawn. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. This is a whole lot of fun. I transcribed the whole thing. Normally a hard request takes maybe 1 page. This takes 3 whole pages plus 2 lines of a 4th page. So extensive accompaniment on this. If you like this song and you love it and you like to play it, it's not that hard. Not technically that hard. It's just pretty much chords and improvising and some piano solo stuff in there as well. But I went through the whole thing and listened to every note and wrote it down for you guys and teach it on webpianoteacher.com. I even have beginner lessons on there if you are a complete beginner and just need some help getting started. But for those of you who are ready, let's take a look at this part 1 here. We are in the key of F. And so we'll start on an F chord in the right hand, A, C, F, 1, 2, 5, and 2, and then I'll hop up to another F chord, but it's just in an inversion. C, F, A with 1, 2, 4, and B flat, and then C, E, A. That's not an F chord, that's an A minor chord, C, E, A. So it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Left hand is F, C, F, and then C, E at the end. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Work on that first measure till you get it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The next measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Same rhythm, different notes. Let's look at the left hand first this time. D, A, D. We're on D minor now. 5, 2, 1. And then we just played a D with our thumb. Use that same D to hop up so you can go D, F, A right there. 1 and 2, feel D, F, A. Right hand, A, F, and back up to F, A, ta, ta, ta. You hold that F with your second finger as you go A and B flat with your top fingers. Then you do D, A while that F is holding the whole time. If you can't do that, don't worry about it. Just play the F every time. If it's too hard to hold the F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Put the first 2 measures together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And guys, if you can play the first line, you'll be able to play the whole song. It never gets really much harder than this. G, C, F, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. C, F, A, C, F, B flat, C, F, A. Right? C, G, C, C octave, G, C. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's tie it together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. You notice I'm always counting. You need to do that too. Make sure you don't drop a beat somewhere. You got to keep in tempo, keep on the beat. All right, left hand here. This guy who's accompanying here does a lot of little left hand patterns, which is kind of refreshing because, you know, most things just have so much stuff in the right hand. I like that he vamps in the left hand some. B flat F, D, F, B flat D, F. So you just get on that B flat chord with 4, 2, 1 or 5, 3, 1. I like 4, 2, 1 better. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 as the right hand plays C, F. Okay, so from the beginning, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. All right, guys, the thing about my lessons is I try to give you exactly what the album does, or whatever version I'm given to transcribe and teach. And that's what a lot of people like, is that they want to play what they actually hear. They don't want something that's arranged or dumbed down. I'm giving you exactly what I hear on the album. I'm probably 97, 98% accurate on all of it. Although occasionally I will add a few notes or tweak some things for a piano solo, because most of us are playing by ourselves and we don't have a bass player and a drummer and guitars playing with us. So sometimes the arrangement will need a little help, and I'll kind of boost it a little bit with some extra notes. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a full 3 pages and 2 more lines of another page. See you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.